Hey guys, welcome back. My hair is a hot mess today. I don't know what it is. I also need to fix this because, like, why is this longer than everything else? We don't talk about it. But yeah, I did not finish showing you the rest of the books I got. Look at these beauties. But this one, like, look at that cat, and then there's, if you can see it, this cat. Oh, beautiful. I love it. This is Fall I Want and Fall at Once. So Fall at Once and Fall I Want. They're part of the Cozy Creek collection, and oh, I love it. I also love the spines because there's not just like normal like colored spines. They actually go with the cover. The cover continues on to the spine, which I think is beautiful. There's 6 in total, so I really hope that all 6 get published traditionally like this. If they get published into a book, because so far I think the rest are all digital right now. So I'm really excited. I'm so sad that I did not find the special edition to this, because it shows on the back of this book the sprayed edges for this book, and oh my god, they'd be so cute. It's bookshelves, like it's literally like shelves. It'd be so cute on my shelf, but no, it's fine. I also got a plushie, but it's all the way up there, so I'm gonna add a picture right here of it. But oh, I love it. I like my men fictional is what it says. Obviously I'm gonna show a picture, but yeah, I love it. It's so cute. I was gonna get the other one that says I like my fiction with a wingspan, I think is what it said, but I have so much on my fantasy shelf already that I'm like, no, I need to decorate my other shelves because I want to get more dragon stuff, because I already have my 3D printed dragon that my fiance got me, but I want to get another one. I want to get a black printed dragon that's bigger, and then I want to get what is it? Like, I just want to get other fantasy related stuff, like a dagger or something to put here. I also want to get a bigger bookshelf so I can have multiple fantasy shelves. I don't know if it'll be able to put this back up there with you guys here. Oh, there you go. Okay. But yeah, I got these 2 books. I'm very happy. I am currently reading, if you want to know, The Fine Print by Lauren Asher. I am on page 290. So good. I'm about like 60-ish% through. I like it. So far I'm thinking about like 4 stars. Yeah, 4 stars or 4.25. But yeah, it's good. It's just not like, oh my god, like I wouldn't reread it, and it's not like my favorite thing ever. But it's good and I like it. And it's like, it is a little bit. But yeah, we cute. After this, I don't know if I could read the next one, because I have the next one on my Kindle. Or, hear me out. We could read one of these. Or, hear me out. We could do this. But this one's a thickie, so I don't know about that. But these, quick. Especially this one. This one is tiny. This is nothing compared to like these or like that one. Which, if you guys have not noticed, I read pretty decently fast. I started this book 2 hours ago, and now I'm almost done. So I read pretty quickly. So because of that, like, big books don't intimidate me. It's just, do I want to sit there and read it for that long? Like, do I want to stare at a book? Like, it'll take me maybe like 5-6 hours, but do I want to sit there for 5-6 hours? Which the world's aren't that big, so actually it might take me quicker. But I don't know. This is a dark romance, and I saw it from a TikToker. Maybe I'll add the TikTok into this clip. But yeah, I was hooked from it. But yeah. Also, this is so cute. Oh, do you guys want to know what these are about? Probably no one's answering me. But okay, so Her Soul to Take by Harley. I'm not even gonna try that. I'm gonna butcher that if I try. But it is part of the Souls trilogy. This is book 1. This follows Leon and Ray. All I know about it is that she's a college student who summons a demon, and you know, they end up bugging, obviously. But yeah, that sounds really fun. Okay, this one, we have Autumn and Zane. This is a little cozy, small town romance where a billionaire man falls in love with the sweet town little coffee romance girlie. So, I love this. That's gonna be cute to read. And fall's like slowly going into winter, so because of that, I'm like ending the vibes of like going into fall vibe, having fall vibes, and like trying to like transfer into regular romance or like maybe fantasy. Because I do want to read fantasy because Crown Tide's coming out December 2nd. So, because Crown Tide is coming out, I need to read. One, I still need to finish reading Criminal, the Dual Crowns edition Criminal, like their POVs. I have the book, but I need to read that. But I also want to do a reread of all 3 books and then read that. So then, by the time Crown Tide comes out, I'll be caught up. And then, yeah. Because these books aren't going to be bad. And so Crown Tide comes out in about like a week and a half. So because of that, I can easily finish these books, guys. And do my reread and read Criminal Laws. Maybe I will do a video on me reading the Light Lark series again, with me also reading that book for the first time, and Crown Tide, to like have me like read the series. I do love that series. Right now, I'm Team Grimm. I'm sorry if you're Team Horror, but I'm Team Grimm. I love that man. Also, my favorite book in this series so far is Nightbane. And Alex Astor said, the author, said that if Nightbane is your favorite book in the series, that Crown Tide will become your new favorite. You'll just get angry halfway through because there was a plot twist, a big plot twist. So, yeah. I'm very excited. I forgot how many books she said that there might be. I think she said 6, but I don't know if that counts Grimm's, like that their point of view one, or if that's just like the regular books. If it is 6, we're going to be on book 4. It means we're going to have 2 books left, and with how fast she's writing books and bringing them out, we might have both books by the end of the year and finish the series next year, hopefully. But she also, sorry guys, I'm on a rampage about Alex Astor because I'm so excited, because she also has her first ever adult fantasy book coming out. When was it? In March, I think. I think it's in March or April. She has it coming out. So I'm really excited about that. It's called Star Side. I think that's what it's called, or Star Side. Slide, it's not Side. I think it's Star Side. Something like that. I'll also add a picture of it. But I'm so excited for her first ever adult romantasy. It's gonna be fun. I did want to pre-order it, but I don't know, maybe. What's another one? Oh, I still have not read her first ever romance, just like plain romance books. I only have read her YA fantasy books, so I do want to read her other book. I know, like, I don't remember the name of it. I will put a picture, but I know it's about like a love story set in New York, to where they visit a bunch of places in New York. Because I remember like there being a map in it. I follow her on TikTok, so I remember her like showing like what the books look like and what the special editions look like and everything. And I was gonna buy one, but then I was like, no, I don't think I'm like into. I wasn't into romance at the time. I was only reading fantasy. And now looking at my shelf, there's a lot more romance than fantasy. But it's cool. We just love books around here. And I'm sad because I have no room for these books on my shelf. So finding space is going to be hard, but it's fine. Just going to keep building up. But yeah, guys. I cannot wait until we move out of our current place and I can get another bookshelf. Or a bigger bookshelf so I can just display all my books in one, because I love books. No one understands. And I want to collect more. Like, for me, books are fun, and I love also being able to like have books that I've read on my Kindle and being able to physically see them, because I also like rereading books. Sorry if that's a biased thing, but I will reread a book if it makes me feel good. And I need a book to like get me out of a slump, or like to give me some feelings after a book makes me sad. I will reread a book, because after I read Releasing 10, I reread one of my favorite romance books, Until Next Summer, and that book, ooh, it hurt my soul. It hurt my soul a lot rereading it, because I underlined even more things, and that book is so broken and worn in. You'll see my copy of it. I can't grab it now, but it's up there, and I love that author, Ali Brady. So good, guys. You guys need to read her books. I have so many. So I went to 7 Book today, guys, and I'm so upset with myself. I gave a book recommendation that I shouldn't have gave, because I have not even read that book yet. I'm so upset. I hate giving book recs to books I haven't read. Ugh. I don't think she would like that one. I think Every Summer After would be good, but it's such a summery book. Or One Golden Summer would have been good. Sorry, guys. I hate not giving good book recs. But okay, I might even cut this out of my video. I just want to chat with y'all and catch y'all up on what's happening and how things are, and yeah. I want to start doing wrap-ups, so I think I'm going to do a wrap-up at the end of the year. And I might start filming it now, because I don't know, read in December. Maybe I'll film it halfway through December and post at the end of December. Because, guys, my wrap-up is going to be crazy, because I'm at, I think, 62 books so far this year, and I have more to read, so I'm excited. I also want to buy a little bit more books, but I have no room, so we're going to have to get rid of books so that we can obtain more. I feel like Roy Gilmore with where I have my books stored. Like, I have some books stored underneath my bed in a suitcase because I don't have enough space. Yeah. And then I have some books stored in a storage unit at my mom's place. I have some books on the bookshelf over there. My books here. The books just chilling on my desk. I have books everywhere because I actually am. Oh, and in my car. Because, like, how could you not have books in your car? Like, you know, weird, like, I have it in my trunk and my backseat. You never know when you're gonna need a book. But yeah, guys. Oh, that was a whole rampage. I'm just a chatterbox today. But, yeah, I'm gonna go to finish reading the fine print. It's so good. I've underlined a lot and like have commented a lot on it, so I'm happy. I annotate my books, but I don't tab my books. So guys, sorry if that bugs people that I write in my books, but I don't like it. So like you don't notice it until you're actually reading it. But I think that's more fun. But yeah, I'm gonna read this. I think in my last video I said I was gonna reread Fourth Wing. I might have. I don't know. At some point I said I was gonna reread Fourth Wing. I don't think I am. I don't think I'm ready or prepared to have my heart shattered. I got up to chapter 8 of Fourth Wing, of my reread of it, and I couldn't do it. I was like, oh. The first interaction shook me. And her first interaction with Jack Barlow, that hurt. That hurt. I hated it. It gave me anxiety, and I was like, yeah, no, because I know everything that goes down after this. So, yeah, no, and her first fight where she got home for the first time, maybe become a Dean hater. Dan? What the It made me become a hater of certain characters more again. Anyways, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm done with my rant. I've been going on for 16 minutes now, so I'm gonna deuce out of here and read my book, finish it, see what book I pick up next. Love y'all. Bye.